Hi guys, I think we are live. So good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good day everybody. My name is Albert Tam from Download Silo. Today we are happy to host Bassam Tarek, CEO and founder of this what they call Stacks, So the names is quite what they call catchy. So Stacks app, So we are here to present to you a new feature, which I'm not going to talk here. Let Bassam talk later. So before we actually start, let's do some housekeeping as usual. I have to project this up to show that you can know what link to click. So kindly give permission to this wave video to show your profile photo and name while commenting by clicking the link https wave.video/live/Facebook. So guys, are you ready? Let me see who are actually online. Oh, we have actually 13 people now. Sujit Biswas, Suja, Latif, Joginda, Salma, Pankaj Kala, Derek Gross, and the last one is, I think, let me project your name. Is Prabha Chandra, is it? I'm not sure. Hold on, let me do the... Okay. Oh, Pradeep Indika Kariyawasam. Sorry, your name is quite long. I have difficulty to pronounce. Oh, Ankit Dizit and Vinit, how are you guys? So I think, guys, you know how what they call routine, just click the link that we give it to you, and also make sure that, you pay attention, whatever that link we want us to use to click.
Thanks, buddy.
Okay, just a small introduction. Actually, this is the third time that I'm hosting Bassam Tarek, founder of CEO of Stacks app. So he is actually requesting me to do this Facebook Live on Sunday itself. Today is Sunday, actually, Sunday night. So many people might not be able to come, but I think the attendance is quite encouraging. First few minutes, we have almost 20 people already. So that is a good sign. But we also bring to you 5 giveaway from Stacks, and with the sponsorship from this Bassam. So for winners, you will get the one LTD code of the what they call the lowest tier LTD, and that is actually for, I think, for one app or two app. Bassam, I think it's two app, right?
No, one app.
One.
Yeah,
Okay, I'm not
yeah.
sure. Never mind. Let's see how. Okay, guys. If you do not know Bassam, so Bassam is a founder and CEO of this Stacks. This is actually iOS and also Android app maker. So he has been actually in AppSumo, I think in Deal Mirror, if I'm not wrong. So now he also promoting in his own website. And this is Black Friday, and we bring you a coupon of 20%, which afterwards we will send to you in the what they call the video. And if you find that this is something that you're looking for, please go ahead and try it out. And without further ado, let me ask Bassam a few questions, because maybe some people are actually first time in our webinar here, not attending the previous 2 webinars. So Bassam,
Yes.
where are you from actually?
I'm from Egypt.
Oh,
Um,
Egypt. Okay,
yeah.
that's good because Egypt is actually, I mean, always appear in our history lesson, So the Phoenix and the seven wonders of the world, that kind of things, the desert, So okay,
Yes,
we don't have
we have both.
many founders from Egypt actually, from Egypt.
Yeah.
So please tell us what actually your background and why do you start up this company, to sell stacks.
Okay, let me. First of all, it's my pleasure to have the third meeting with you, third webinar with you, and the whole people who are listening to us right now. I'm totally happy with that. I'm glad with that meeting. And also, one important issue is that we believe that this is the last time that we are going to offer an LTD on as this Black Friday. After that, we are going to move and migrate to subscription model. So I believe this is one of the last options that we have to have the LTD offers and so on. Maybe it will be announced, but it will be after some time, not now. So it's good to have this meeting with you guys. First of all, we were authors. We have been authors. I've been developing apps and websites for multinationals and enterprises for about 11 years from now till now. We have done more than 350 projects worldwide in 15 different countries for people like we have done it for Oppo, for Walt Disney, and many other enterprises. And we have been doing themes on theme forests as website themes on theme forests. And we've seen that there is a gap for the small and medium enterprises. They don't have the flexibility needed to build their own mobile application without paying much thousands of dollars and waiting for proposals and so on. So we needed to fill this gap. That's why we started Stacks. And this is our playground as the software house, how we build the apps and the things to match the perfect quality that needed by the business owners. So we believe we will make something good as we go on with the product.
Mm-hmm. Okay, thank you, Bassam. So the audience actually would like to know also what is your company size, how many team members do you have? Are they all based in Egypt or are they distributed across the world?
Okay, we are 10 people, developers, marketing and support. This is the team of Stacks. We are registered in Egypt. The operation is totally in Egypt, and we have the registration in Delaware. We have the company registered in Delaware, and everything is settled. Legal work and so on is in Delaware as well. We actually had raised some funds before. So yes, we believe that we are on the right track, and we have many investors online that would like to join Stacks to boost the work forward. So we believe that many updates and many features will be coming soon.
I think that's good. So basically, yeah. I know that Delaware State is what I call a place where a lot of foreign country, non-US companies set up their company or maybe office there. Maybe due to tax reason or whatever. But I do not know exactly. But I think it's many companies. From India, from across the world, from Asia as well. Okay. So without further ado, I would like to ask Tarek, because he told me he actually come up with a new feature, which is called e-learning, where you can actually I think you can actually create e-learning app using these stacks. So without further ado, let's Tarek show us how to do it.
Please. Okay. Yes, let me tell you. First of all, people were asking us. People who purchased the apps from AppSumo or from communities have been asking us to do this feature, the membership features, to lock some content for specific users in order to be able to purchase, so that their end consumer can subscribe in order to unlock the content. For example, if there is a gym, a fitness center, or something like that, there can be some courses locked for subscribers only. So by this way, they can generate revenues for articles and so on. So let me start by sharing the screen.
Yes, please share your screen. Okay, your screen is coming up.
You can see my screen right now, right?
Yes, we can see your screen now.
Okay, perfect. So the core problems that we are solving as a fast recap is that people business or small business owners were having an option to build their mobile application, a custom mobile application with unlimited design possibilities, was having only the agencies part side with 3 months or more and at least $5,000 to be able to build the mobile application through a regular agency, which is way beyond their resources. And that's what Stacks is offering. In 30 seconds, I'm going to show you how Stacks is working. So here is how it works. Once you open the builder, you add the image, you change the size of the borders, you change the size of the image itself, you add the text that you want, you can change the alignment of the text as you see in the screen. You can add the products which is connected with the WooCommerce and WordPress through APIs, change the order of the page. You can add the section, split the section by 2, and nesting elements inside that section to have more control over the mobile application, and do the same for all the views of the mobile application. And with the click of a button, you can upload the application to Google Play and App Store. The sectors that we are covering up till now for Stacks is the e-commerce and retail, for sure, as I've shown you, which is connected with the WooCommerce, and we are connected as well with the blogs. You can connect the application with the blogs and magazines, and the e-learning that I'm going to show you right now. And in the future, we are looking forward to apply the builder for the fintech and healthcare and beauty as well, based on the opinions of the customers. And this is one of the upcoming features that we are working on right now, is to be able to add a custom view, not only specific templates that you are editing, 10 views that you are editing. You will be able to have custom views, add a new view, and connect those views together. And on the other hand, we are going to work on the themes for the application. One theme will have 4 views, one theme will have 10 views, and so on. So this is the future that we are working on. Maybe we will discuss the roadmap at the end of the slides. But for now, let's see what we are going to. I'm going to show you right now. First thing that I'm going to share with you the core features, how to design the application in a fast, and the app generation, the push notification tab, and the analytics. After that, there is the feature of the e-learning, and then I'll take the questions. So let's start with the builder, the normal builder. Once you open the builder, as I have shown you, you will see something like this. So let me clear everything in this builder. Okay, in this view. So once you open it, you can see the header, you can see the footer of the screen, and I can add an image, choose the image and upload it whatever I want. I can add the text, change the alignment of the text and the style of the text. I can add what you see is what you get here in this editor. I can add the products and change the style of the products and the elements in the products and so on. It is multilingual. You can add the Arabic products, English, and left, right, RTL, anything. You can add the categories and slider of many images and products as well. You can add a YouTube video, and you can add the button. This button can link to whatever page in the mobile application. And as I shown you in the video, you can add a section and split the section by 2 and change the order of the elements and so on. So I've created the design with the courses so that we can start. But before that, let me show you the other recap of other features. You can from here connect to the website, your website, WordPress website, if you'd like to have a WordPress website, or if you like to have a web view for whatever website you have, it's from the settings from here. And you can send push notifications from this tab. And you can see the analytics from here, integrated analytics for the statistics of the page, which shows the emails and the pages opened by each visitor of the application. Once I click here, I can see everything in the application. So let's say I'd like to know who has opened the home screen. I can just write home. I can see everything related to the home screen with their emails. If I write, let's say, my email address here, I can see all the views opened by this email address. So this can lead to the push notifications for the right people, or the coupons sent to the right people from this analytics part. And you can see as well the orders done by the mobile application and all the statistics needed. After everything is done, with a click of a button, here, generate an app, the application is generated, and you can upload it to Google Play and App Store smoothly. So let's see how the builder, I have created, as I told you, I've created an application here with the courses. What can be done here is that I added, this is a normal image, banner image for the builder. How can I add a section like that, like courses section? How can this be done? Okay, so let me clear this up so that we can see how to build it from scratch. Okay, I'll add the posts block. This is a normal posts block, which renders the magazine and so on. And I can change from here the PMP Pro, which is the plugin PM Pro project management, or the Pro version of the courses and so on, and see the full list of courses of the application. Where is this data coming from? From the WordPress plugin, and I'll show you this right now. I can select specific number of products of courses to be shown here, okay, or I can select a category and render by a specific category. If I click, let me see the fitness category only. This will lead to a fitness category. Where is this data coming from? From the Word. Okay, you can hear me, right? I can hear an echo for myself, so I'm not sure if you can hear me. Hello, Albert. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, everything is perfect. And you can change the categories from this part as I have shown you. And this way you can select the number of courses to render and link to that course. So let's see the demo that I have already created. So I've added this section. We have 3 styles. We have a grid, 1 column and 2 columns, and a list style of the courses block. And this is the list style, and under that this is the grid style with 2 columns. So let's see how the flow is working with this model. So I'm going to preview the application right now. Okay. You can change the icon and change the icon or the split screen and so on. So in this part, as you see, this is the application is rendered here, the same as I have seen in the builder itself. So what if I'd like to open the first course? This is a course shoulder workout. I'd like to see it. Okay, it needs a sign up or login for the course to be rendered. So let's just sign up with a new account. Bassam Tarek. Stacks LTD. Okay, let's sign up. Okay, so I've signed up to the courses. You can see that I've signed up correctly from the menu here. Has a sign out and my account and so on. So now I can click on this course. This course is for free. Okay, it has the lessons, lesson 1, 2, 3, and this is for free. It doesn't need any subscription to be opened. So let's see it. So it has a video, YouTube video, and it has a description. It can be completed from here and the next video from here. So let's see the next video and the next video. And that's it. Those are the 3 videos. Once you click, the video will be rendered. Okay, so let's go back. So what if the video itself or the course itself has some locked content? So this is how it works. Once I click here, this material needs subscription to one of the following packages, and all this is managed from the admin panel of the WordPress itself. So this is a monthly subscription needed. £25 per month to be able to watch this material. So let's subscribe. So this opens the payment page of the plugin itself from the website. Okay, so by this, and this form is integrated with the Stripe testing, which I will show you after I finish this test. So I added just a testing code. Once I add them, let me pay with a testing code. Okay, this is just for testing purposes, and then I'm going to submit for the checkout. So as you see, I'm subscribed right now, so it's redirected and the course is opened. So the subscription is done properly. I can see now the logged content after the subscription is done, and the order went to correctly to the admin panel dashboard, and the view is there, and everything is working. The lessons and the complete, I can say that this lesson is completed, and the next lesson is not completed yet. I can click on it, and so on once I watch the video. So the important part is that it's not locked to specific this structure of the application. You have to get the title, the image, and the lessons under that. Everything is managed from the admin panel of the WordPress. So the lesson itself, it must not. It can be anything instead of just a video. The video at the top and the rest of the items here. So, for example, if I opened the last course, which I just created before this meeting, the last course at the bottom is for the nutrition guide. Okay, so this is for the nutrition guide, which is a simple. It has a lesson with a simple guide for the nutrition, which is for premium users, the one that I subscribed for. Once you open this guide, you will see it as just a normal text blog post, or that can contain a PDF or contain just text. This is locked as well, and this can be considered as a lesson that needs to be completed. So if I signed out and try to open this lesson, this will not be opened, and this piece of content is just for subscribers. So by this, you have a full resource or full place to generate more revenues by locking the content for your subscribers and your users only. This is for the application. I'd like also as well to show you the admin panel part. So let me switch to the admin panel. So from the admin panel of the WordPress, as you see here, you can just change the courses. This is all the courses part, which is from the plugin. I didn't do anything. And the course has the lessons. From here, you can add open the course, open the lesson that you would like to have. Let's see the lesson, the nutrition guide lesson that I just added to the WordPress, the guide here. It has its normal guide text with text, title, and the images and so on. You can add whatever images that you like, and whatever you will add here, it will be rendered in the locked contents of the lesson. And you can have, let's see, the settings. Sorry, it's locked part. If you see the settings, there is a part for you will be able to see the settings for the payments. You have Stripe, you have the PayPal, you have the cash on delivery, and there are many other things. And there is the course categories as well. This is the course categories for the nutrition, and there's a category for fitness, home workout. Add whatever the categories, add the courses to those categories, and after that, you will be able to add the lessons and the nesting elements inside it. That's a new feature. I'd like to hear your opinions. I believe there are some questions, Albert.
Okay, so you have more or less finished, right? Because I see that you actually covered the what they call this membership area.
Yes.
Okay, so let's move to the question. There are some questions already. Let me project it up so that you can actually see it. Okay, this is by Carlos. Can you see the question on the screen?
Yes. Stacks should have an option to have web views with no headers on the app, so it could be used to deploy fast websites on an app. Yes, this is possible. Actually, you can create the page on Elementor, for example, on the website, remove the header and the footer of that page, landing page, squeeze page without header or footer, and add the link of this page to a button, or add the link of this page to the footer or the header, or the whole application will render this page. You can actually create 5 or 4 pages that can link together in the website and add the link of the main page to the application. So this will work. This is possible, actually.
Okay, let's move to the next question. What payment gateways are you supporting to accept payments?
Okay, we support the payments of all the payments of the WooCommerce is supported for the e-commerce part and the retail part. WooCommerce is totally supported with all its payment gateways. We integrated with the APIs with the payment part of the application. In the past, we were integrating with the whole checkout web view. Now we are taking just the part of the payment gateway of the e-commerce, of the WooCommerce, and rendered this part in the mobile application. So this is for the e-commerce or WooCommerce. for the e-learning and the courses membership plugin, the Pro memberships plugin. This will render as well all the payment gateways of the Pro membership plugin, as I have shown you in the demo. They have PayPal, they have in their settings, they have PayPal, they have Stripe, they have cash on delivery, they have free courses as well. So, and you can add whatever plans that you would like and log content based on that from the admin panel of the application, of the system.
Okay, let's move to the next question. Oh, this is HTML design. Can we add our own HTML design?
Yes, you can add. There is actually a block for the text, and you can add the HTML. Whatever HTML you need in the text, it can be added, and we are rendering this part in the text block. So yes, it's possible.
Okay, thank you. Songnam Yuen asks, can I build a web view application because we only have 2 projects per code? Can I delete the project and create a new project?
Yes, you can. You can delete and create a new one. And you can have a web view application.
Okay. Next question. Oh, this is to fetch data.
This is in our roadmap. This is something well needed by the developers. It's not ready yet, but we have this in our roadmap. We have actually in our roadmap, just to let you know, we have as well the APIs for the developers to be able to add their own blocks and render those blocks in the, for example, if you'd like to add something like, let's say I don't have a specific Google Maps block, for example. So, and you'd like to add a block for the Google Maps and render this block in the mobile application, you'll be able to use APIs to make this integration. It's not ready yet, but we have it in our developers team is working on that.
Is there any ATA for this, what I call a roadmap?
Yeah, we have the before that we have the add new screens and edit all the screens, and the theming is before this part, and after that we'll work on the, maybe in the upcoming 6 months this will be ready.
6 months. Okay, Tarek, can you show us the roadmap? If you don't mind, share us the page.
Yes, we have the page, and I have. Let me share with you from the presentation the upcoming, the most recent roadmap that we're working on right now, so that I can show you a video actually for the how it will work. Or let's say in this part, those are the 2 upcoming features that we're working on in order to be able to add custom screens and link custom screens together with the mobile application in this way. The one on the left, and on the right to have custom themes. You will have a package of theme with exactly like Theme Forest. You will have a theme for restaurants and maybe 5 themes for restaurants. They behave totally different than each others. They are not the same at all. So this is one of the core features that we're working on, this part. And the other part is the fintech and healthcare and beauty. It will be like that, the video that we presented here. Let me show it to you in a video. So the builder will not be just for e-commerce, it will be for sectors. You can add a sector for the fintech as I'm going to show you right now. Once you add the wallets, you can add the transactions and all the blocks needed for the fintech category. And as I told you, to link blocks together in order to make the application work as a custom design from your own. And this for this part and many other sectors as well. So those are the 2 features that we're working on the roadmap right now.
Okay. So Niru was asking about this Razorpay integration. Razorpay is actually an Indian payment gateway.
Razorpay has a WooCommerce plugin, I believe, but for the Pro membership plugin, I'm not sure if they have integrated with it or not. If they have integrated with it, or you can write your custom integration with it, then it will work. You have a developer, or you are a developer that can integrate Razorpay with the Pro membership plugin, then it will work perfectly. Whatever you will work with the plugin, the core plugin that we're working with, then it will work with if it works on your website, then it will work on the application as well.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
And for WooCommerce, yes, it's working normally.
Luke Lim asking your server location, no?
Okay. Actually, the application is hosted on Google Play or the App Store. This is the application. The plugin is hosted on your website, so it's totally on your website. We just have a tunneling server, a small tunneling server, which controls the subscription, which is not your case as a lifetime deal. And it controls as well the logging, the data, and the analytics, because we need to have logging the data on our side. So we just log the data, but you have everything connected to your servers. Yes, so since Razorpay is well integrated with WooCommerce, then it will work perfectly. We have actually some clients from India who have many payment gateways rather than Stripe and PayPal. Yes, so I believe yes, it will work.
Okay, I think this question is a repeated question. So other than Stripe, whatever that is in WooCommerce, you are actually able to do that, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, that's
and
good.
the e-learning as well, the membership. We can make a list plugins, WordPress plugins, and WooCommerce. Other than we have now the memberships, we have now the WooCommerce, we have now the payment gateways, and I'm going to make a list, I believe, with the integrations. But mainly we use the core APIs of the WordPress. If you have in mind any other plugin that is needed to be added in the website, then shoot me an email or a message or send us on the roadmap, and we'll make sure to add it. Maybe there is an integration, because as you know, something like HubSpot forms, it can be added without a plugin through the embed code in the text block. The chat can be added as well through the embed form in the text block. The Google Maps can be added as well without a plugin. So those features doesn't need a plugin integration, APIs, and so on. We can add it just with the embed code in the text block, and it will work perfect.
Okay. So third-party plugin for Android.
Like what? Not yet available, but like what? I'm totally interested to see what are the plugins.
Yeah, Joginda Singh, please type in the chat. What kind of a third-party plugin you suggest?
Yes.
You can't buy. Okay, I'm not too sure whether you click the correct link.
I believe that we may share a link on the comments with the LTD. Yep.
Yeah, this is the link, my affiliate link.
Yep, exactly. Perfect.
Okay, if you still cannot, then maybe later, Marwa will actually can contact you, no?
Yes, exactly. But this is the correct link.
Mm-hmm. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Okay, I think this is webhooks, huh? No, not app hook, webhooks.
Webhooks. Yes, we will have webhooks, Zapier integration soon in our roadmap. It's not a major feature, but we will have this in our roadmap. We need this for the push notifications to perform in a better way. So yes, we have this in our roadmap.
Mm-hmm. Okay, that will be interesting, because a lot of people are using either Zapier or maybe LTD community. A lot of people using Public Connect, so they need webhooks. Okay, can we make a quiz application with database on it? Quiz, now it's quiz.
The quizzes part, if it uses, I believe this can be done only with you can make it with a web view for sure. If you have the quiz part in a page, you can link that page through a button. This button or image can link to the quizzes part, and after it is done, it will be redirected to the mobile application normally. So you can make the flow like that. But the quizzes plugin is specifically quiz plugin. This is not available without a web view part of the application.
Okay, Joginder Sama was actually replying to his third-party plugin, like notification plugin.
We have the push notification without third party. The push notification is natively integrated with the mobile application with Android and iOS through Firebase. So I'm not sure if this, if you mean by the third party, the Firebase or any other thing. But normally it works. The push notification is working through Firebase.
Okay, this is the latest question, but then it's quite interesting. Integration with Boomerang Me. I think if you're asking, Boomerang Me is how should I say, is, I don't know how to say, it's like a coupon, right? Mobile coupon, that kind of things.
No,
you have to search the Boomerang Me. Actually, the app is called Boomerang Me.
No, actually, I didn't try this as well, but I'm totally interested to see it. So if you can send me a mail about that, that
Never
will be
mind.
awesome.
We can come back to that. Let's move to the question that people ask first.
Yep.
Okay, this is what sort of technical knowledge that we have to make pages, and is there any detailed video tutorial available for beginners?
Okay, so you don't need any technical knowledge to do anything. All our customers are not actually, most of our customers are not developers. They are business owners, normal business owners with very basic knowledge in the computer. So you don't, everything is as easy as simple clicks and all is done. And the WordPress part. For the videos, we have the technical videos. We have detailed videos, step-by-step tutorials videos in our channel on YouTube. We have the knowledge base with detailed step-by-step tutorial. We have the community to ask us whether on Facebook, whether on Facebook or on the community on the website. You can send us an email and our team will be happy to send you to reply to you as soon as possible.
Okay. So this is webhook. Then we have answered that.
Yeah.
Oh, Shopify.
Sure. Yes, Shopify is a large market. We will sure do this integration soon. APIs with Shopify. Yes.
Okay, this is from Faisal. This is a statement, So, is he going to create an app and charge $1,000 because I don't have? They want anybody to download it, but I just can say I have an app.
This is one of the branding strategies. This is smart as well. So yes, okay, you can do that. But I believe that you can generate more money by having the application ready for public and add real products to it. Maybe it's your call.
Okay, Alberto from United States. Can we have a type of a B2B site where login is required before able to purchase?
Yes, this is possible from the settings. We have a setting to make the enable guest users for the application or disable guest. Once you open, you have the login screen as the main screen.
Okay. Saravanan asks, do we have notification features? Would you like to send daily notification to users?
Yes, we can have the we have the notifications, push notification features. It's already running. You can select the users that you'd like to have and send them. It's not automatically notifications up till now, but you can go anytime and select all users and just send them notification or qualify them, choose a part of the users and send them the notification that you want based on the analytics and data that we have shown you. So yes, we have the notifications feature.
Okay, this is regarding the due terms. I think you have upgraded the due terms for those.
Yes. Yes. Yeah. We can have the regular user can get 2 apps. Yes, that's exactly. We have updated this.
So how I mean the previous buyers would they get it automatically or do they have to contact
Just
you
contact
guys?
us, send us a message if you haven't been upgraded automatically, and we will upgrade it to you in seconds.
Okay, that's good enough. Okay, Jogenda Singh say they want to add one signal notification, the web notification.
I believe this is the third party one signal push notification, if I'm not wrong. I didn't try it myself, but it's not integrated. We have an integration with just the Firebase, and it's native integration with the mobile application without any third parties yet. But we have some requests from people to automate the push notifications based on the behavior. So we are considering, we are making a research right now for the types of projects to integrate with. Okay. Yes, you can add discount, whatever discount coupons that you have. This is a native WordPress feature, WooCommerce feature. So you can add whatever coupon with whatever plugin in your admin panel, WordPress admin panel, and use it in the mobile application normally with whatever plugin actually that controls the coupons and so on. So this is something natively integrated with the WooCommerce, and so it's natively integrated with the mobile application as well.
Mm-hmm. Do you have a coupon or offer modules? Oh,
Yes.
Like a
Yes.
sign up.
The same question. Yes. We have the coupons. Once go to the admin panel of the WordPress and WooCommerce. Add whatever coupon that you would like to add, and copy the link and send it to as a push notification, and you will have the coupon ready. It's an awesome feature, right?
Yeah, whatever WooCommerce have, then you can do it, huh?
Yep, exactly.
Okay, so yeah, Alberto want to improve the design using CSS. Is it possible?
As a native integration, this is not possible yet, but we're making a way. We're thinking of a way to make like something like a mapping between the native part and the CSS part to make something like this possible. So it's under progress right now. It's not ready yet. It's under progress right now. But for now, as I told you, you can add an HTML block, a text block. With HTML block, you can add the HTML section and style this section with CSS. It will be rendered perfectly.
The next question is, do you have a QR code scanning module?
Yes, you can copy the image, you can edit as an image, and take that image and add it in the take that image from whatever third party and add that image to the image block on the mobile application. It works perfectly.
That's good.
Yep.
Oh, this Ramesh want to create a marketplace, so can we do that?
If he means multi-vendor, it's not ready yet. Multi-vendor is not ready yet. But if he means selling products as a marketplace and categories and managing the vendors by himself, then it's possible. It's normal feature. But multi-vendor, like Dukan, is not available yet. But it's a well-needed feature, I know. Yep. Everything is synced. Auto-sync posts from WooCommerce. Yes, everything is automatically synced. The number of, let's say, not the new posts, the number of items. You don't need to, the stock level and so on. You don't need to publish the application again or do any work with the with the application. Once you say that I need this category of the WooCommerce, like the bags category, for example, and you add a new bag with a new stock or the stock changed, one item is out of stock, you don't need to do anything to the application. The mobile application is communicating with the builder through APIs, and this API is telling the system what to render. So once you open the application, every time you open the application, you see new things coming up as it is on the website and the WooCommerce.
Okay, this is the difficult part, I'm not too sure, Bassam, you know about this Brilliant directories. Brilliant directory is actually a directory app, proprietary. It's not WordPress.
Directors, is it something like real estate or something like that to manage real estate? And
It can be any real estate directory. It can be a website directory, or it can be any kind of a directory. But this Brilliant directory is actually on sale in AppSumo as well, So, but then it's not a WordPress,
It's not WordPress. You can make it with WebView. Just take the link and add it to the application, and it will work. And you can add the part of the directories part, link it through any image, any button, or a footer link. So I can show you now. You can add a footer button and name that button the directories and in the footer, and just click on it. It opens the website of the Brilliant directories. So it doesn't have to be a WordPress plugin, or we don't have to integrate with it manually.
Okay. So I think some of the guys must actually try it and get back to us whether does it work, because that's important because a lot of people.
The web view part will surely it will work whatever the page is.
Okay. So Jao Ortega is asking, is there a limit to the push notification?
No. The limit is from Firebase. It's not from us. After a certain limit of the push notifications, maybe Google is going to charge you on the push notifications. But from our side, there is no limit. And this limit is quite large, by the way. So thousands and thousands of push notifications sent. They will start charging you a few cents.
Okay, Rosie was asking, can we add an OTP verification,
It's good actually.
Good. Something new.
Yeah, thanks Rosie for the idea. Yeah, it's not yet implemented, but it's a good idea actually to add in the sign up. So I'll consider that. I'm going to write that down. Thank you.
Okay. Bassam, let me have 2 minutes. I need to post up the what I call this giveaway participation form so that they can actually put in their name, and then I will get it automatically to my Google Sheet. Okay, guys, this is the form. So please answer the survey question, 3 questions. What is your name? What is your email address? And what is your Facebook profile name? So go to this link and click it. It will bring it to the survey form. So maybe I should type it in the question as well in the chat. Let me do it. Give me a minute. Okay, it's in the comment now. So please do so that we can actually know your names for the giveaway. Okay, let's move to the question and answer. Simon was asking, do you handle publishing to App Store, or do we have our own development account to publish to the App Store?
Okay, for App Store, you can publish to the App Stores automatically with just a click of a button. Once you add the application password and some information from Apple and from iTunes account, once you click the build button from the application, from the builder, the application will go automatically to the App Store. It will be uploaded automatically. For Google Play, there is a button for downloading the AAB file and the APK files so that you can upload it to Google Play yourself.
Mm-hmm.
There's no issues here.
So what if they have some problem? Can they contact you?
Sure. Yes. Sure. We are here to help. So,
okay, that's good. Somebody want to make an app like Spotify.
It will not be like Spotify for sure for $79 or an LTD lifetime offer. Yes, for sure. But let's say if you'd like to make Spotify, the problem with Spotify is that it has an advanced AI system to know your taste of music and suggest the top-rated music that matches your taste at the front and so on. So this is a totally different story. But if you'd like to just list music as in the courses, the membership part, then maybe it's possible. You can add it at the posts, normal posts. The application renders the audio itself. Yes, it renders the audio, the video normally. Whatever the way that you sort the pages together and link from page to another, this is your code.
Mm-hmm. Okay, the next question is a little bit technical, so please read it.
Okay, embedding SDKs. We have embedding iframes, we have embed codes, HTML codes, and so on. But embedded SDKs is not yet available. I'm not sure if you're asking if I am adding any embedded SDKs that you can control or it's not needed for you, or if you can add your own custom SDK. I'm not sure about that. But if you are talking about, I think that you're talking about if we added any extra SDK that you are not going to use, then no. We are connecting with WordPress through APIs, so we don't need to do any extra thing. We need the application to be lightweight as much as we can.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So yeah, this is another relevant question. So there are two types of directory. One is Brilliant Directories. The other one is a WordPress plugin called Directories, which is also on sale in lifetime deal in this Black Friday season. So I think it can be done if I'm not wrong.
Since yes, as I told you, I can integrate with Brilliant Directories. If it is a WordPress plugin, yes. But why not we use it as a web view from a button or an image? Isn't it possible?
Mm-hmm.
I believe that it's a possible way to make it work. If it is needed to have an API integration or native integration of the application, then just shoot us a message on the roadmap and we will do it.
Okay, this is another question of this e-commerce platform. Sell Done is another e-commerce platform.
Yeah. I'm not sure if it is top needed. by developers, but I believe that after making the APIs available, developers will be able to integrate their own platforms.
Okay, that's good. Let's move on. Hold on, let me click this question by Jautega.
Planning to use this as brilliant directories as well. So if it's web view, it will still be native app, not progressive. Downloadable from App Store and Google Play. Yes, I believe it will be available. It can be available as a web view. It will work normally on the App Store if it is not the whole application as a web view. But if the application is can be opened from the buttons, then it will work because the whole application is native. But this part only sub of the application, sub part of the application is for web view. Then it will not make a problem with Apple. But it will. What will make a problem with Apple if the whole application is a web view?
Okay.
Yes.
What is your storage limit? Ramesh asks.
Storage limit is the limit of your WordPress website, the host, your host. No storage limits. Don't store anything on our on Stacks, so there's no storage limit.
Okay.
Yeah.
How different from your competitor at my site? I saw the comparison table. Maybe you can put it up.
Yes, but as basic as we can say one thing now that will end this discussion. At my site doesn't have an integration with the membership plugin, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, so that's one important thing. If he is focusing only on the e-commerce part, so he doesn't have an App My Site membership integration. You can't log contents, you can't add it for courses. It's not possible. And for sure, the design, the level of flexibility in the design and how you can tweak the design is not available on App My Site as well. App My Site is more of a template that you are switching on and off the elements, but Stacks is something different.
Okay, I think we have answered most of the question. So guys, if you have any other question not answered, please type it in now, or else we will go into this giveaway. Bassam, is it okay? Because I think now is about 5 minutes left before we actually can say goodbye. So let's see, there's one more question coming in.
Okay, sure.
This is, how long in your roadmap with tracking traffic? I don't understand this question.
I'm not sure. We're tracking traffic normally. Currently we're tracking traffic. I'm not sure about the question as well.
Okay, maybe Niru, just clarify your question, then we can come back.
Play Store is working perfectly with the subscription and payments outside them through the web view. I'm not sure about the App Store. I didn't get any complaints from them. Actually, I have applications on the App Store working in the fitness field and so on. So, and it's working properly. It doesn't have a problem with that, I believe.
So
I'm
you
not
mean
sure
that
I receive any complaints about this.
Oh, I see.
If you can try it and tell me if there's a problem, and I'll make sure to work on that.
Okay, Niru actually clarified that, he's talking about Facebook Pixel for the tracking.
You can add the Facebook Pixel. You can add it in the embed link, but it's not available. We have the Google Analytics integration, but we don't have Facebook Pixel till now. Just tell me in the roadmap or an email, and I'll do it. Google Tag Manager, yes, I understand. Just tell me send us an email with your ideas and suggestions. Communicate with us, people on the communities and so on. We will do that. Can be easily done, but I need to hear from you.
Same for this Google Tag Manager.
Yeah, the same for Google Tag Manager.
Okay, I think we have answered most of the question. If there's any more, please do it while we actually go into the giveaway. Today we have 5 prizes. The prizes are actually the first tier, a single code stack worth $79 per code. So we have 5 prizes. Let us share my screen now of the wheels of name. Oh, I don't see the wheels. Okay. Okay, give me 1 minute. I need to collect the names from the spreadsheets. Copy. Okay, we have 31 entries. Let's sort it and check whether any repeated names. John, Latif Mia, one repeated name. Solomon. Okay, I think we are good. So we have 30 entries, and we will shuffle and you will spin 5 times, Hold on. Let me get rid of this. Okay, are you ready, guys? Ready? Then we can spin now. So Bassam, we will spin now, right?
Yes.
Okay, let's do it. Shuffle. First winner will come in now. Please be present, or else we have to spin again until we get the person who are here. Jao Ortega, lucky guy. Are you there, Jao? Please type your name, your full name in the chat. Pankaj, did you fill up the form? You must fill up the form, So just get the form from the the chat. Actually, put it up there. Okay, Jao Ortega. So now your name with 2 dot and wow.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. Okay, let's remove your name and we spin the second name. Pankaj Kala, have you filled up the form? You will fill up, then we will actually put it in. Please do so. Let's move. Yeah, Jao is quite lucky, Sometimes he wins. Oh, Suja, HM Suja from Bangladesh. HM Suja, are you there? Please type your name, HM, if you are around to claim, or else we'll spin again. No? Sometimes people go for toilet break and never come back. Yes, congratulations, you are here. Okay, let's shuffle to make it more random. Third winner is coming. Wilson Chandra. Wilson Chandra. I think this is a new winner. I'm not sure whether he's around. Wilson Chandra, are you from Indonesia or any other place? Pankaj Kale. Kala or Kale? Let me add your name manually. Wilson, are you there? Wilson? Wilson?
He won and left.
Yeah, but sometimes people put your name and then go home,
Here he is.
Yeah, he's there. Okay, congratulations, Wilson.
Congratulations.
Okay, Pankaj Kala, right? Kale or Kala?
I believe Kala.
Let me add the name. Okay, let's shuffle again. The third winner is Wilson Chandra. Okay, this is the fourth spin. We'll decide the fourth winner. Shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. Niru Walia. I think should be around. Please type your name. Toilet break or disappear.
Jao Ortega is now winning consistently.
No, I'm not too
Congratulations.
sure because 1 year not winning here or not winning in other places.
Welcome to the community. Jao.
Okay, congratulations, Niru. I see your
Congratulations, Neil.
name. So let's
Ah,
remove your name. And this is the last spin, guys. Today is Sunday, so I'm happy that about 30 people are actually coming here because of a very short notice. And this is your reward if you win. Let me spin now. Who want to win? Can you just click a like sign, a like or emoji or a love emoji so that you get a higher chances. Guys, please do so. I don't see any love sign, love emoji or like emoji. Nobody do that.
no life science.
No, click it in the Facebook chat there, like it.
Ah, ah, there are
What
some
did
hearts.
somebody say?
Yeah.
Oh, you are tapping it. I just want you to like the stream, that kind of a like. Maybe some people don't understand. So they
Ah,
are in the Facebook chat. That is for you to type in your emoji. Okay, thank you guys. That's a lot. Let's spin. Let's go. Hope the best person will win. Latif Mia, I think Latif Mia. Congratulations, Latif Mia. Okay, you are the last winners.
I know the heart. The one with the green heart.
So are you there, Latif Mia?
Yeah, he's there. I believe. He added a
Please type
green
your
heart.
name. You have a green heart. I have a red heart. I don't know. You got a green heart.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
finally.
Yeah.
Okay, today's winners are actually very smooth. Everybody is very obedient and don't go for teller break and disappear. So I repeat the names of the winners: Jao Ortega, HM Suja, Wilson Chandra, Niru Walia, and also Latif Mia. Congratulations. We will announce the winner not today, not tomorrow, because after the Black Friday season and also the procedure how to claim it. So because a lot of people were asking me why am I not getting the codes now, because everybody is very busy. Every minute we have a lot of founders as well as also other people putting up new deals, so we have to post it up, post in the Facebook, post in our social media, that kind of thing. Okay,
Yes.
guys, thank you for your time, for attendance, and also you asked a lot of questions today. And before we say goodbye, I would like to say thank you to you guys, especially you guys. Let me stop the sharing. Okay,
Thank you so
and I want to
much.
thank Bassam Tarek, who is the first person who actually, not the first person, I think the other guy also do 3 webinar with me already. So, but Bassam was happy to have you guys here because he actually contacted me a few days ago saying that no, he got something new, and this is what they call membership app that is added to the stacks. So I think this is something quite new, and it's also very good, I would say. So if you have a membership for your client or for yourself, you can actually do it now. So don't forget, if you actually buy from our link here, you will get 20% discount using this code. So
Yes.
you actually get better than F-Sumo. F-Sumo is nothing but fun.
because it will go. Thank you,
Okay.
Albert, so much for the meeting and for your efforts. Thanks everyone for attending the webinar. I really enjoyed talking to you guys.
Okay, so thanks, Bassam, and see you again. If there's any opportunity, and also for our audience, today is Sunday. It should be a resting. So but
Yeah.
thank you again. Bye
Okay. Thank
bye.
you.